Looking to capture stunning aerial shots without breaking the bank? The best budget drone with 4K camera offers crystal clear video quality, user-friendly controls, and impressive stability, making it perfect for beginners and hobbyists eager to explore drone photography affordably. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mini 4K Drone. The DJI Mini 4K drone is an excellent choice for those seeking high-quality aerial footage in an ultra-lightweight, easy-to-fly package. Weighing under 249 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration for recreational use, making it hassle-free to get airborne. Despite its compact size, the Mini 4K punches above its weight class, offering cinematic-grade 4K Ultra HD video thanks to a 3-axis gimbal that delivers smooth, stabilized footage. The brushless motors give it impressive lift, allowing it to fly at altitudes up to 4,000 meters and handle winds up to 38 kph, level 5. The battery life is customizable, with options for 31, 62, or even 93 minutes of total flight time depending on the kit you purchase, eliminating concerns about cutting your adventure short. It's especially ideal for beginners, featuring one-tap takeoff, landing, GPS return to home, and stable hovering capabilities that reduce the learning curve. Number 2. DJI Mini 3 Drone. The DJI Mini 3 drone offers an impressive feature set for creators who want exceptional aerial footage without the need for FAA registration. Weighing under 249 grams, this compact powerhouse is perfect for travelers and casual flyers alike. It shoots in stunning 4K HDR video with enhanced dynamic range, and dual native ISO fusion ensures that highlights and shadows are rich with detail, whether you're flying under harsh sunlight or during twilight. This drone also boasts up to 51 minutes of flight time with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. Note, it adds to the overall weight, or 38 minutes with the standard battery. Opt for the Fly More combo and you'll enjoy a total of 114 minutes of flight time. With its 3-axis mechanical gimbal and level 5 wind resistance, your footage remains smooth and stable even in breezy conditions. The brushless motors are efficient and powerful, enabling takeoffs up to 4,000 meters in elevation. Number 3. Ruko F11 Pro Drone. The Ruko F11 Pro drone is a versatile and affordable drone that delivers exceptional quality for hobbyists, families, and creators alike. It features crisp 6K photo capability and shoots 4K video at 30 FPS, giving your aerial footage cinematic depth and vibrant detail. Its advanced image sensor lens goes beyond standard optics, allowing for superior color accuracy and sharpness. The real game changer is its 3-axis brushless gimbal, which keeps the camera smooth and stable even in breezy conditions, so your footage remains shake-free and clear. With 35 minutes of flight time per battery and 2 batteries included in the package, users get a generous 70 minutes of airtime, enough for extended adventures without interruption. These features make it easy for even beginners to execute complex camera movements and achieve dynamic shots. Night mode is another standout feature, enhancing low-light shooting and providing vibrant, frame-stabilized night footage, something rarely seen in this price range. The drone is built for durability and long-term use, with powerful brushless motors and solid construction that stands up to repeated flights. Number 4. G11 Pro 6K Drone. The G11 Pro 6K drone by WeFone is a standout choice for budget-conscious buyers seeking professional-grade aerial capabilities. Sleek and FAA compliant, this drone features a 3-axis brushless gimbal for unmatched image stabilization, letting you shoot crisp 4K 30 FPS video and ultra-high-resolution 6K photos. The gimbal uses a millisecond synchronized system to ensure rock-steady footage across various wind conditions and flight maneuvers, making it ideal for creators seeking precision. Whether you're filming fast-moving action or slow cinematic pans, the G11 Pro handles it all with fluidity and accuracy. With up to 70 minutes of total flight time and a 10,000-foot, approximately 3 kilometers, digital transmission range, the drone gives you plenty of room and time to explore your surroundings. It's also equipped with intelligent cruise modes, helping you replicate professional camera movements effortlessly. The build quality is robust yet portable, and it comes with a dedicated carrying case for added convenience. The brushless motors are quiet, efficient, and durable, enabling agile flight and long-term reliability. The G11 Pro is more than just a step up from beginner drones, it's a leap. It's perfect for aspiring aerial photographers, travel vloggers, and drone enthusiasts who want high-end features at a budget-friendly price.
Number 5. WeFone Drone. The WeFone Drone is a reliable and feature-rich budget option for those stepping into aerial photography with 4K resolution. It comes equipped with a 90-degree electrically adjustable 4K UHD camera and a wide 117-degree angle lens that lets users capture broad landscapes and precise aerial views. FPV 5G transmission enables real-time video streaming up to 300 meters, providing a smooth and immersive flight experience. Designed with beginners in mind, the WeFone Drone offers smart GPS-assisted features such as one-key return, low battery warning, and lost signal return, ensuring safe and stress-free flying. Additional intelligent modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Point of Interest let you pre-plan the drone's route and focus on creative shot composition without needing complex manual controls. With one-touch takeoff and landing, headless mode, and speed adjustments, even first-time flyers can feel confident in the air. The drone includes 2 modular batteries, providing a combined 40 minutes of flight time, which is generous for its category. Its brushless motors ensure smoother, quieter operation and longer lifespan compared to brushed motors. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.